Hello guys, today we're going to take all of the parts out of this olden days TV, and we've got a lot of screws and stuff down here, and it's really fragile. Wow. So, okay. Wow. And it's really old as well.
Oops.
Wow. Metal stick. Look at this. Oh. Look at all of this stuff. Wow.
So that looks like the speaker.
Yeah.
There's a circuit board.
Oh, the circuit board. What does the circuit board do?
It holds all the components.
Oh.
And then this is the screen is behind here. Look, the screen. Look at that.
Oh.
That's the actual,
Nice.
that's the actual screen. Look.
Wow. So without it, it wouldn't
And
work.
then this. I don't know what this is actually. That's the batteries, isn't it? So.
Yeah. But what do these
What's
little
this? What's
detail
this?
stuff do? Wow.
That's the batteries. Look, that's the wire. There's all the switches. Look.
Cool. So cool.
What's that?
There's a lot of detail, isn't it?
We take this apart.
Okay, so we just... Is it hard work?
It's somehow stuck.
Oh, it's stuck.
Those are the controls. Can you see?
Yeah. Whoa. Wow.
There's a screen there. Look, can you see?
The screen is behind it.
Look. It's like a tube. Can you see that? Tube, liquid crystal.
Oh yeah.
And that must project onto the screen.
To make the light.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's interesting.
take it apart. Wow. Look at that tube thing. Wow. Oh, it's stuck in a piece of paper.
That's how the tube must be there, look. It sends a current that gives you the photo.
Oh, nice. So that means it's quite important. Whoa. Wow. Whoa.
There's a screen there, look. You see?
Screen.
There's a TV screen there, look.
Wow. Interesting. Oh, there's some stuff down here as well. Wow. Can it spin?
No,
Oh no.
it's like...
Very interesting.
That's a circuit board. It's like a city, look.
Oh yeah.
And it's got... Look. What's this? Well, there you go. That's the product. TV 400. Made in Japan.
Oh, cool.
Colour TV system.
So now
Okay.
So now I hope you subscribe to our channel and I hope you give a big thumbs up and bye.